In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TradingView Mobile. Before we begin, make sure you've already registered for a TradingView account and installed the mobile app from your app store. Open the app and sign in to get to the home screen. Start with your watch list. This is where you keep the symbols you care about front and center. Tap watch list, then use the search bar or the plus icon to look up a stock by ticker or company name. When you find the right one, add it to your list. If you see multiple versions of the same symbol, choose the exchange that matches where you follow or trade that market. You can rename lists, reorder symbols, or remove ones you no longer need to keep everything clean and focused. Next, head to the chart tab at the bottom. This is where you'll analyze price movement. At the bottom of the screen, tap the instrument name to open the symbol search. Select the stock you want to view, and the chart will update immediately. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct symbol and exchange so your data is accurate. You can pinch to zoom and drag to scroll if you need a closer look, but for now, the key is simply loading the right chart. Now, connect your broker so you can view account information and trade from within the app. Tap the broker icon at the bottom to open the trading panel. At the top of that panel, tap the name or header area, then choose Connect Another Broker. You'll see a list of supported providers. Select your broker and follow the secure on-screen authentication process. When the connection is successful, your broker will appear in the trading panel, confirming everything is linked. Finally, return to the chart. With your watch list in place, your preferred symbol loaded, and your broker connected, you're ready to track markets and act quickly from your phone. If something doesn't update, refresh the app or revisit the broker connection screen to verify the link. That's the full setup for TradingView Mobile, streamlined and ready for your workflow.